Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a terrific Thursday. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know what the story is going to be about and to review our LEQ for the week since it is still so new to us. So let's take a look. It says, how can I use similes to write poetry? So remember, a simile is when we compare two things and we use the word like or as. So in the example on the board, it says, she is red like an apple. Or I am as hungry as a lion. Yesterday in your writing, you talked about how your heart felt or how you were feeling. And if you remember, I said I was as sad as the sun on a cloudy day. Okay, so we're comparing two things using the word like and as. So here are some more examples to help you remember. We could say busy as a bee, wise as an owl, cute as a button, as stinky as a sock, as sweet as pie, or like two peas in a pod. Maybe that's like me and Senora Castaño, huh? So my friends, the story you're gonna read today is called Quick as a Cricket. And in this story, it's a little boy who is describing all of the ways he feels he is like. So sometimes he talks about how he is as big as, or as small as loud as quiet as. So I want you to listen to this story and get some ideas, because today you're gonna have to write 3 similes about you, okay? I hope you enjoy the story and then watch my lesson afterwards for some examples and so you know exactly what you're doing for writing today. Bye, guys.